heater for indoor use. 1500W fast heating ceramic electric heater with thermostat, remote, overheating and tip over protection, 1 to 12H timer, 70 degrees oscillating portable heater for office bedroom.
Shop now, link in the description box, go check it.
ETL-Certified Safety. Made of V0 flame-retardant materials with multiple safety features including built-in smart tip-over protection, overheat protection, 12-hour timer, 24-hour automatic power off without interaction, V0 flame-retardant 2-prong plug, and sturdy 6 feet long flat power cord. Safe and worry-free all-day use fast heating. Powerful 1500W PTC ceramic heating allows this space heater to heat up in seconds, suitable for warming up spaces in the home including bedrooms, basements, garages, living rooms, and can also be used in offices, dorms, hot yoga studios, etc. Quiet heating, 40 decibels, almost as quiet as a library.